Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So today it is beautiful outside and I am feeling much better, which is fantastic. I am still a little froggy. Okay, so today for brunch, I am going to do basically a breakfast toast. So I have 2 pieces of my favorite dark rye bread from Kroger. I have some pork sausage, 2 duck eggs, some avocado. I'm going to use some Kraft singles in the white American, and I have some baby spinach and kale. Basically, all I need to do is soft boil the duck eggs, cook the sausage, and put the sandwich together. Okay, so here's what we have so far. So I have my piece of bread and the piece of cheese, and then spinach and kale. I forgot I had an heirloom tomato that I cut yesterday, so I went ahead and cut some slices to go on there. I have some avocado. Then this is 3 ounces of sausage that I've just divided into 2, so those are 1.5 ounces each. Now my eggs, I forgot. My brain was not in the right gear. I was thinking about other stuff. I put them in my poaching pot, but I cooked them for the soft boiled in the shell time. Normally in the poaching pot, I'm supposed to do them for 4 minutes, and soft boil in the shell, I do them for 6 minutes. Now this is for duck eggs. I cooked these for 6 minutes. So my guess is that these are going to be quite well done. But you know, it is what it is. So I'll get those on there, and then we'll see what it looks like, and that will be brunch. So it turns out that they weren't overcooked, which was great, but I do normally cook them a little bit less than that. Now, the other thing is that at the time I'm editing this, it's actually almost midnight, and I didn't eat anything else during the day except for about 10 grapes. So there is no dinner to be tracked tonight. I'm feeling a bit better, and I will see you guys tomorrow.